ready. Okay, here's, wait, here's Heather. Say hello.
Yep, why not?
Oh,
Trying to make sure my phone's switched off.
sorry.
Is it video or is it camera?
It's video, but,
Can I help at all?
but,
It is video?
it's a video, but, the cool thing about it is,
So let me open this.
I can create snapshots from the video because you can,
What you did with what you sent the other day from the horse farm.
yes, yes, yes.
What are you doing? Yeah, it was funny because the file said video.
Yes, but it was a picture. What did I send a picture of?
Like the girls feeding the horses and full body plant.
Girls feeding the horses. Did I send that?
You said feeding time? It was called feeding time? And he came running going, what the hell?
Oh, that's so terrible that I can't even remember that. Well, anyway, so I'll be able to send you a nice cleavage shot. I'm going to take a
Dale will
picture.
appreciate
Yes,
that.
he will. Yes, he will. Take a picture of the park here.
You start that assessment, you know.
So
like,
pretty.
okay, can I move my legs? Can I bend my knees? But I'm so ibuprofen has been going on.
So pretty out here.
I'm going to take a hot bath too. I'm so sore. Are you coming? I've been horseback riding. Oh, lovely. Oh,
Oh my God, the s'mores are already on.
Well, I'm just getting them ready.
Let's see.
I grew up with horses, you know.
You did?
That would give them something. Of course I did. I was from Kentucky.
Oh, you're kidding.
Oh, absolutely.
She grew up with horses. You probably know.
Every Kentucky Derby. I have not missed one
Oh,
since.
really?
Even when I was in Guatemala and the outback of Nicaragua.
Really?
I took a 12-hour bus ride into Managua just to watch the Derby.
Oh my God. You just never know things about people, do you?
I couldn't miss it.
You couldn't miss it.
Oh,
How do you like-
I love that about her. Okay, now you're going to do those there. So,
Well, I'm just going to lay things here.
so why don't you hand me another plate, and maybe I'll do chocolate and grams. What do you think?
Okay.
Ladies, I don't
Yeah.
mean to interfere with your s'more
Yes.
business, and I love
But?
it. There's also, no buts. And
And?
there's another dessert under the table.
Yay. Glad to know.
Yeah. Is it brownies?
No, it's a blueberry peach lentil cake.
Oh my
I was
God.
really wanting to have time today to make brownies
I
because
know.
you said we can't have 15
I know.
And I thought, damn it, I know we're not going to end up with any of them, you know? And
Rebecca will be
God.
much happier with that than s'mores.
Oh, well.
You know,
But
I
I'm a
never
chocolate
thought,
girl,
like, know
so.
yourself. I mean, you just
Yeah, seriously.
do the whole, like, your
Yeah.
name begins with these letters.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And it's like, I've just never had it not work out.
Yeah.
It always is delicious.
Except, can I just say that I've always wished for that party
This is
where there
really
were
good.
I'm a chocolate lover, and it never happens.
I didn't
This is
Darn.
going to be fun. There's going to be some great. This video's going to be fun. All right.
Thank God.
Yum, Laura.
Can I get you a
Right.
plate? You want the yummy, what do you call this?
Yeah, it's very difficult.
Scordalia.
Scordalia.
Dalia. Okay, Scordalia. Dalia.
What language is that?
Greek.
Greek.
Are you Greek?
Really?
Mm.
Was he 100% Greek?
Well, yeah, he was born in New York, but
Heather?
Oh. Born in New York. Oh, wait. Let's get that again. Oh.
Are you taking video or not?
It's a video, but
it is.
but you can go frame by frame, stop it, and get photos.
Oh, wow.
I mean, literally.
Are you putting this on YouTube?
I was just going to say this will be on YouTube later tonight.
Yeah. It'll be on the Flip channel, so I'll send
So at least
the
we
link,
know
and then
where.
it'll just like YouTube.
Well, you're going to be in one tonight.
Yeah, yeah. That's right. Everybody needs to be in YouTube.
You're welcome.
Do you want to take me, Heather? Are we close to eating? Because these should probably go on last minute.
Well, the salmon's done.
Salmon's done. That should go right on now.
You can't eat all of that. That would not be good for us.
It doesn't go bad.
I know, but
Is it done already?
Oh wait, I gotta get a pic. I gotta get the video.
That was it. If I do this, or if I do this.
Good. If you do this.
What if you do this?
Oh,
And I would take it home.
Rebecca, you have to get Kendra there.
I'm not doing it again.
What'd you do?
Come on, Johnny,
Come on. Well, what the hell is it? What is it?
Honey, I am not endowed like you are.
Oh, what is
Go do Heather.
No. Crap, yes it was. That was Heather after
Okay, well, it's on there now. It's too late now.
It'll be on the internet later.
Yep,
Tonight.
tonight.
I've only done I've only done the one side.
Oh God, this looks so good.
So maybe whatever side down
Get a
or up
picture
or
of
whatever.
It's only done on one side. Okay.
She's dangerous.
I love this.
But
The lovely bread from the lovely
you
law.
can always do that side down,
Okay.
and you can get the other side while it's grilling. That's very true.
That's going to totally soak into the bread, too.
Oh God, look at this.
Wowzer. Maybe we should all do a run around the park to get our appetite.
Oh.
Isn't that stunning? Look how gorgeous that is.
It's supposed to be face down.
Well, I thought I would do this side
Oh,
first
right, okay.
and just get it a little toasty and then flip it.
Okay, so the Spanish I love the
Oh.
I did not.
I've had it for years now.
But wouldn't they have called?
Well, do you have your phone?
I do, and I had it here so I'd hear it.
Well, we could call them.
tree toys.
Yeah,
Are
they're
they?
tree
Okay.
Yeah.
They haven't
They're so
called.
I mean,
cute.
if they decided not to come or they couldn't come, then I'm fine, but I just hope they're not lost somewhere.
I know.
Let's see what
They would have called somebody.
Well, why don't you just call them?
I've been listening for it. I don't know what number I put. Did I put this one or did I put mine?
All right. Now I'm going to rest the camera while I eat.
Well,
Yes.
Jackie's got my cell phone number, though.
I would think that
They would call.
Yeah. Let's see if I've got her. I've got her in here. Let me call her.